Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're looking at some technical indicators. We're looking at RIDE. Now, they have had a little bit of an issue over this last week. They came out with their 10K and they said they don't have enough money to continue production and they could potentially go out of business. And that's bad. So, one of two things is going to happen. They're either going to get more money or they're going to go out of business. Now, this company has had a lot of support, so I don't see this company going out without a fight. All right, now there might be some shareholder dilution, but I don't think it's as bad as going bankrupt. All right, they have a lot of assets. They have a really great product for the most part. They had one little issue in the Baja race, but that was due to poor planning and not being fully prepared, I think, from what I've heard. That seems like they have a really good product. I really like the truck that they have. They have a really good manufacturing facility. I know it took a lot of capital to get that thing going, and they still have a far way to go. I guess they got to retool and do some stuff. So I'm not sure how much they need. They have about $250 million on hand, which sounds like a lot to me. But evidently it's not enough to get them into full commercial production. I know they were doing alpha and beta testing. They have some beta models out there. So it sounds pretty good, and it sounds like they're performing well, and they have a lot of pre-orders. But if they can't go into full commercial production, the company's done. So there's going to be some shareholder dilution for sure. You can see here that was very high flying before. You can see a triple top here that we knew it was going down at that point. All right, we got the arrows here. I was like, oh, it's going to be in for a rough ride. Maybe I should have. Actually, I got out at some point back here, and I'm just getting back into it now. But I got in. I think it's around $10 or so. Go check out my videos on the options trade. Not really, don't remember exactly where it's at, but it doesn't look good now for an entry point. It looks good to sell covered calls against right now, the stock that I do have, because it potentially could go down a little more before this whole thing settles out. It could take 3-6 months to secure funding. They could issue stock. They could do a private equity deal. There's a lot of things that could happen. They do bonds. I'm not really sure which way they're going to go, but they need to raise capital, and that could dilute shareholders or add debt to the company, either which is great for the shareholders. But as long as the company doesn't go out of business, I think it's got a good future because it really has a strong product. The Biden infrastructure plan is really going to be adding a lot of the infrastructure that needs to charge all these electric vehicles. So that's a good sign. So overall, I am bullish on the EV industry. In the short term, I am not so bullish on RIDE. Other companies that I'm more bullish on are Go EV for sure, Arcimoto, Tesla of course, and Workhorse. They're going to be big in the future. All right, guys, tell me what you guys think of the whole Lordstown Auto deal. I really like the concept of taking an old factory, refurbishing it, and reusing it again. That's pretty cool. And I really like the product, but the cash is a problem. So we need another Elon Musk type to come in, infuse a lot of cash, and save this company from going under. I guess we'll see what happens. But anyway, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and watch my other videos for the daily options trade, dividend investing, wealth building techniques. And if you like these technical indicator videos, let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, thanks for watching.